Philodendron Radiatum, aka Radiatum. Look, it's looked better. Got some new growth coming through there. That's looking promising, but there's been a whole bunch of places that haven't been doing so great, like whatever's going on down here. That, run that over with a lawnmower later. There's another one there. There's even another one down here. Got a whole bunch of that sort of stuff from some of these plants as well that will eventually get through. I've also noticed that we've got this bit and a perfect opportunity to propagate there, even though those roots aren't looking fantastic. There's actually a couple of places to propagate down there. And then also it's due for a water, so I'm gonna do that as well. I'm also gonna make these water props. There's number one. And we've got another one over here you might as well take. This one's not super healthy. And some of these roots are pretty much done. These two, and same deal with these ones. I've been really patiently wanting this to kick off, and I know when it does kick off, it's gonna be grand. And I think this summer's gonna be the time for it to happen. So just because the weather's getting really warm, we're gonna start using some non-natural fertilizer. This is just gonna give us a proper boost, a real good one. You know, sometimes you need the chemicals. I usually, use a power feed like once every 2 months or something like that, especially when the weather's getting warm. One of these little totes is the perfect size to fit one of these little pots all the way inside. It's perfectly measured as well, because I'd usually get through one of these watering cans for one of these plants. It would usually submerge the whole pot, so you can make sure everything gets a good soaking. Some little areas of bubbles. I'm really hoping you can see that, because I can't actually see what you're seeing. And as you can see down there, the water's just below the lip. So we can rest assured, like it's even floating just a little bit. The pot's just floating just a little bit. It's perfect. So that's gonna soak up all of that water. Any of the excess, we just use on some other plants. So that's gonna sit there and chill out, get a good feeding. Hopefully that's gonna bounce back with health, and it's gonna be real helpful for new growth like this one. And now it's time to go inside and put these in some water. Excuse the mess. Yeah, that's gonna be good. I didn't get rid of the label on this one, and I'm not going to. Hydroperoxide, 2 drops. This is 50%. 1, 2. Straight in there with the water. Put that on the prop shelf. Hopefully in a month, they'll kick off some roots, and then when it's time to transplant it, we'll be ready.